Example 1. In this example, the price is the result of adding 3 costs and a margin calculated as a 30% cost above. In the production process, 2 of these costs can't be changed, but the value of the third largely depends on the producer, and it has a high impact on the quality of the product. Currently, the price is $1,199.90. The producer has received a proposal for a big purchase at a price of $999.90. The task is to calculate how much variable cost there should be in order to obtain a price like this without changing the margin percentage. In these cases, most people would start to enter the amounts into cell C4 and observe the result in cell C7. After several dozens of attempts using this method, the price would eventually reach $999.90. But it can be done much faster and simpler. From the Data tab, click on What If Analysis, and then Goal Seek. In the Set cell, enter the address of the cell containing the price, cell C7. In the To value, input 999.9, the value cell C7 should have. And the cell address which Excel can change to obtain the desired result is C4. $signs in cell addresses aren't relevant in this case. After pressing OK, Excel displays a window with the information that the target value has been reached. If we press OK, the new values will be kept in the worksheet. If we choose Cancel, the previous values will be restored. The value changed by Goal Seek is estimated very accurately to 12 decimal places. Example 2. If the task has more than one solution, only the first will be shown. We won't be informed that there are any other possible solutions. Not every task has a solution. If Excel cannot find one, it will display this message. More options for finding results are provided by the Excel solver, in which we can define many variables and search conditions. If you're interested in this subject, please watch the lesson called The Solver in this course. And that's the end of that short lesson.